Best pills comparison. Protein pills have surged in popularity among fitness enthusiasts and health-conscious consumers looking for convenient ways to supplement their diets. Unlike powders or shakes. Creatine pills. The Crazy Muscle creatine pills are a premium option designed to elevate workout performance and muscle growth. With 5 grams of creatine monohydrate per serving, this product offers a potent dose in an easy-to-digest tablet form. It is keto-friendly, vegetarian, and free from gluten and soy, making it suitable for a wide range of dietary preferences. The tablets eliminate the need for a loading phase, simplifying the supplementation process. Manufactured in a GMP-compliant facility in the USA, the product emphasizes quality and safety. In terms of performance, the Crazy Muscle creatine pills deliver noticeable benefits for athletes seeking muscle growth and improved workout endurance. The high-absorption formula ensures that users experience minimal bloating or digestive discomfort, a common issue with powdered creatine. Ideal for pre- and post-workout use. These pills are convenient for consumers who prefer to avoid mixing powders. However, the premium price point may deter budget-conscious buyers, especially when compared to similar products offering lower dosages. List No. Ancient Nutrition Collagen Peptides Pills. Ancient Nutrition Collagen Peptides Pills provide hydrolyzed collagen from 5 sources, types 1, 2, 3, 5, and 10, promoting healthy skin, nails, joints, and gut health. The capsules are derived from clean and pure sources, including grass-fed cows, wild fish, and Midwest-raised chickens. The formulation is clinically tested for efficacy and safety, making it a reliable choice for consumers seeking collagen benefits. The capsules are easy to incorporate into daily routines, with a recommended dosage of 3 capsules per day. This product excels in delivering noticeable improvements in skin elasticity, nail strength, and joint comfort within 7 to 10 days of consistent use. The multi-collagen blend is particularly beneficial for individuals seeking comprehensive support for connective tissues. However, the lack of pricing transparency is a drawback, as consumers may find it challenging to assess its value compared to other products in this category. Additionally, the capsule size may be slightly large for some users, making swallowing less comfortable. List No. Ancient Nutrition Multi-Collagen Advanced Lean with Probiotics. Ancient Nutrition Multi-Collagen Advanced Lean capsules are formulated to support weight loss and fat reduction. Featuring 10 types of collagen and a proprietary fat loss blend with moringa leaf extract, curry leaf extract, and turmeric rhizome extract. This product is designed to enhance metabolism and calorie burning. The capsules are backed by clinical studies showing significant reductions in waist and hip size when combined with diet and exercise. The Advanced Lean capsules stand out for their targeted body sculpting benefits, making them ideal for users focused on weight management. The inclusion of collagen enhances joint and muscle health, providing additional support during workouts. However, the product's reliance on proprietary blends may leave some consumers wanting more transparency regarding ingredient dosages. Additionally, the product's effectiveness may vary depending on individual adherence to lifestyle changes. List No. Creatine monohydrate, 2,500 milligrams per serving. The Danu Pro Creatine Monohydrate capsules offer a budget-friendly solution for fitness enthusiasts. With 2,500 milligrams of creatine monohydrate per serving, this product delivers a moderate dose suitable for beginners or those seeking to maintain creatine levels. The capsules are gluten-free, non-GMO, and manufactured in a CGMP-compliant facility, ensuring quality and purity. While the dosage is lower compared to premium options, the Danu Pro capsules perform well for users looking for a cost-effective creatine supplement. The simple formulation minimizes potential side effects, making it suitable for those with sensitive digestive systems. However, advanced athletes may find the dosage insufficient for their needs, requiring multiple servings to achieve optimal results. Additionally, the lack of additional features or proprietary blends limits its appeal to users seeking enhanced functionality. List 5. Ancient Nutrition Advanced Multi-Collagen Protein Capsules Muscle. Ancient Nutrition's advanced multi-collagen muscle capsules are tailored for users looking to build lean muscle and enhance endurance. Featuring a proprietary muscle-building blend with organic ashwagandha and Indian globe thistle, this product supports muscle growth, exercise recovery, and stress management. The capsules also promote healthy body composition by reducing fat and boosting lean mass. This product is particularly effective for athletes and fitness enthusiasts seeking improved recovery and flexibility. The combination of collagen and adaptogenic ingredients helps alleviate stress-induced cravings, contributing to a balanced approach to fitness. However, the inclusion of proprietary blends may limit ingredient transparency, and the capsules may not be suitable for individuals with egg allergies due to allergen information provided.